Today, 20 May 2026, global stock markets displayed mixed movements with heightened volatility driven by interest rate expectations and geopolitical uncertainty. In Asia, indices like Japan's Nikkei fell amidst concerns over bond yields and ongoing Middle East tensions. European markets saw stabilization in bond sell-offs, while the US futures rallied on chip stocks and anticipation of Nvidia's results. The Indian rupee hit a record low against the dollar, largely influenced by US yield pressures. Key economic events. Key economic updates highlighted divergence in global inflation trends. UK inflation eased to 8% in April, temporarily relieving pressure on the Bank of England. Meanwhile, Indonesia announced ambitious 2027 GDP growth targets of 5%, reflecting optimism for economic stability. In contrast, Iceland hiked its interest rate to 7 to 75% amid deteriorating inflation outlook, indicating tightening policies in response to global instability. Geopolitical tensions remain high with several flashpoints globally. Italy demanded formal explanations from Israel over the treatment of flotilla activists, marking diplomatic strains. In Asia, China and Russia reaffirmed strengthened cooperation amidst growing criticism of US policies. Additionally, the Iran war continued to ripple through global markets, exacerbating uncertainties in multiple sectors. Major commodities and currency moves in commodities. Gold prices steadied amidst high US Treasury yields and hopes for Mideast peace, demonstrating mixed sentiment among investors. Copper prices climbed slightly, fueled by Chilean supply concerns. The currency market saw the Indian rupee and Indonesian rupiah hit record lows against the dollar, reflecting heightened global monetary policy volatility. Corporate financial news. Corporate developments showcased diverse global dynamics. Nvidia anticipation lifted US chip stocks, signaling potential for strong tech sector results. TJX raised its annual sales and profit forecast, a sign of retail resilience despite broader economic pressures. However, companies like Lowe's are maintaining conservative forecasts as U.S. housing challenges persist. Miscellaneous highlights. Other notable developments include Indonesia's plan to centralize commodity exports via state control, marking a significant shift towards enhancing transparency and combating under-invoicing. In technology, China moved to ban Nvidia gaming chips, escalating global trade tensions. Additionally, South Africa reported a notable rise in March retail sales, showcasing domestic resilience amidst external pressures.